Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will review about the Goodwe 15 kilowatt and the model name is GW15KN/DT. Here I would also like to tell you that previously we did review about the two products. One was Goodwe with the second generation and the last one was with Kilowatt. Once our review will be completed, then in later we will also compare the performance as well, because we are going to install on a same sites on a various inverters. I had already done the review of the Goodwe the second generation and the Kilowatt as well, and I'm also reviewing it soon. I will share the both reviews as well, so you may have idea which one is comparatively performing better or which one you have to select and what are the reasons. So let's open this box and let's see what's inside it. Before going to details, I would also like to tell you, please subscribe our channel so you can have such type of videos in future as well, and also give us your valuable feedback as well so we can improve the things in the next video as well. You can see, let's open it. The first is with the frame. Through this frame you can basically install on a wall, means you have to hang on a wall easily. See, the quality of this frame is very good. You can see it sounds very strong and aluminum. So if you see the accessories, it is having all the basic accessories, the Wi-Fi device, and then MC4 connectors and the screws available for the hanging. And you can see that is the ATS report. It means after the testing of the inverter, and the specifications and the manual as well, how you can install the inverters. These are the MC4 for the connection of the PV modules. Here's the Wi-Fi device. That's the good thing, that they're also offering free Wi-Fi with the inverter. Here are some other accessories with the connections of three-phase. These some other accessory screws as well. Now let's open this inverter and let's see what are the details of this inverter. So let's discuss one by one. You see the weight of this inverter is quite heavy, and it sounds very sort of a rigid inverter, because when you take in your hands you would have an idea. Here's another device for for the cabling of a three-phase. It is also having a good quality, and there was the box. Now there's some screws with it as well to fix it. So let's open this, means let's open the cover and let's see what's inside. There you go. If you see, the color is dark, sort of a red color, which sounds very attractive. And if you see the display, it is having a very big display. When you compare with the second generation 10 kilowatt, the display was very small, and here the display is big because it's same the first generation of the Goodwe. So here are some details are mentioned on the left side of the inverter, and you can scan the QR code as well. See, it sounds good, and the quality of this inverter is also having no fan in it. It is having a natural heat sink. You can see the monograph Goodwe. It sounds very good. You see, there is no fan. If you talk about the second generation, you will find the fan. Let me tell you, if you're having less fan, it will be performing better. If you see the specification of this inverter, the same here, you can also install up to almost 20 kilowatt panels, 19,500 watt panels. VOC is same. Here you go, having dual MPPTs, are the for 3 phases L1, L2, L3. You see there is no fan. It heatsink sounds very perfect, you know. So it is having a natural cooling. You see PV1, PV2, you can connect with the dual MPPTs up to 20 kilowatt. That's the quality of the Goodwe. Even when you talk about the second generation, even you can install up to 15 kilowatt with the 10 kilowatt. So that's a good thing. They have done the oversizing the last, the inverter. I've already reviewed. If somebody has not seen, you can just view or the previous videos. You will know the difference between the second generation and this generation. I like this generation as well because it is having a quality wise, the quality is excellent. You see that it also supports the SAMS portal as well. I will review the details about the SAMS portal as well, how you can basically connect through Wi-Fi and what are the advantages of the SAMS portal. Even I will review about the Goodwe, the portal as well. It is easy to, by the way, install. It's sort of a plug and play. We never have got any issue during the installation of this inverter. So if you see the quality of the heatsink, which is quite good, and Goodwe is offering 5 years warranty of this inverter. So if you have any question and any technical question, and if you want to give us your valuable feedback, you can just contact us the below mentioned numbers. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Stay home and stay safe.